안녕하세요, teachers.
안녕하세요.
Okay, good afternoon. So I'm here to deliver one box of donuts each one of you. And that is from Gegomdori Timjangnim.
Gegomdori Timjangnim. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye. 안녕하세요, Teacher Ila.
안녕하세요. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So Teacher Angie is not here. Okay. I'm here to deliver the donut for you and for also Teacher Angie. Okay. One box each, and that is from Gegomdori Timjangnim.
Gegomdori Timjangnim. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay.
감사합니다 for Teacher Angie also.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. 안녕하세요. Good afternoon, Chair.
안녕하세요. Good afternoon.
So, earlier, you're not around, diba? So, right now, I'm gonna give you the puto cheese, which is given by Gegomdori Timjangnim. Please go receive.
Gegomdori Timjangnim. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, teachers.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver donut. You will receive one box each, and that is from Gegomdori Timjangnim.
Gegomdori Timjangnim. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Teacher Chel.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver one box of donut. Teacher Yen is not around. Where? Ilakaw? Asa man? Okay. So please receive the donut, and also for Teacher Yen, and take a video after. Okay. And that is from Gegomdori Timjangnim.
Gegomdori Timjangnim. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
안녕하세요, Teacher Junyen.
안녕하세요.
So, since you were not here by the time Kuya Rex delivered this donut, so please receive your donut. And this is given by Gegomdori Timjangnim.
Gegomdori Timjangnim. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
안녕하세요, Teacher Charlie.
안녕하세요.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm here to deliver your one box of donut, and also for Teacher Mildred. Okay. And that is from Gegomdori Timjangnim.
Gegomdori Timjangnim. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, so since KitKat is in the burial of her auntie, so you will receive the delivery for KitKat, one box of donut. Okay, and that is from Kim Wanchulnim.
Kim Wanchulnim. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for KitKat.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
안녕하세요, Milay.
안녕하세요.
Okay, wala kay klase ron inday. Holiday. So, mag-resume yung klase tomorrow. Okay. So, I'm here to deliver one box of donut. Okay, and you also have one pack of can. And for your school supplies, you will receive 600 pesos. And that is from Kim Hanchulnim.
Kim Wanchulnim. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye. So, 안녕하세요. So, I'm here to the house of Melay. Okay. This is the entrance door. And hi. 안녕하세요. Okay. Ano yung balay namin na? Kani siya, unsan ni siya before? Dire. Kusina, kitchen. Ano ay CR dito dapit?
Napagay mong bawal diyan ito muna lang.
So inyo aning electric ya?
Ha?
Inyong kurente?
Oo.
So this is the room of Melay. This one bed.
Kwarto dia.
안녕하세요, Milay. Okay, so I'm here to deliver your 2 box of choco pie. You also have 5 kilos of rice sacks, ha? Okay. And for your allowance, pambaon, 500 pesos. And that is from SB NIM.
SB님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye. 안녕하세요, Desiree.
안녕하세요.
Okay. Good afternoon. I'm here to deliver your 1 box of donut. You also have 2 packs of chooks to go and 2 box of choco pie. And lastly, you have 500 pesos money. And that is all from SB NIM.
Ako SB님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, teachers.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver your 500 each. Okay, please receive. And for the study room students, they have 2 box of donuts. And also for Angeline, Mary Me, and Joanna, they also have 1 box each. Okay, and that is all from We Paramnim.
위 파라님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye bye. 안녕하세요, kids. Okay, so each one of you will receive 1 box of donut. Okay, you have 16 box of donut, and it will be given each one of you. Okay, and that is from Omyeon Shiknim. Okay, the 3 student chair will please take a video. Okay. Okay, bye bye. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. Good afternoon.
Okay, good afternoon. So, Jaisel. Okay. I'm here to deliver your 1 buga set. You also have 2 box of choco pie and 2,000 pesos money for you. Please kukuhain tayo. Okay. And for Zainab, okay. So, since they are in dentist together with teacher Vivian, okay. So, kindly receive the delivery salset and also 2 box of choco pie and 2,000 pesos for Zainab. Okay. And that is all from Amagetonim.
아마가다님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay.
감사합니다, Zainab.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. 안녕하세요. Good afternoon, Zainab. 안녕하세요. Good afternoon. So, earlier, you're with Teacher Vivian, right? So, niadto mo og dental clinic. So, karon akong ihatag ang gihatag na para nimo. Okay? So, you have 1 rice set, 2 boxes of choco pies, and 2,000 pesos. And that is from Amagetonim.
아마게토님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Bye-bye!
안녕하세요, Vanessa.
안녕하세요.
Good afternoon. So I'm here to deliver your donut. 1 box of donut, small.
ako rin sumunim. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
안녕하세요, Angela.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so here is your one donut. Okay. And,
임성환님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
okay, bye-bye. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver a donut for Phoebe Jane, Laika. So since Ryan is in the shrine today, practicing dance. Okay, and that is it from Im Songwanim.
임성환님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Annyeonghaseyo, Ryan. Since you are not here when Kuya Rex is delivered donut, mini donut, because you have a project or practice. Okay, project. So, Imsungwanim give you a mini donut.
임성환님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
So, 님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for the school supplies.
Good evening.
Good evening.
So, please introduce yourself.
Hi everyone. Hi, I am Joanna T. Bongkol and I am 21 years old. I'm taking course Bachelor of Elementary Education.
Single?
Yes, I am.
Single. So, willing ka mahimong voluntary teacher sa Mactan Korea channel?
Yes. Okay ra kay yes, fine na lang.
Dili na ma-conflict sa imong class schedule ba? So, is ang voluntary teacher is wala na siya sweldo, walay salary. So, ato is kana ang So, ang ato ang kuan sa channel is ang priority nato kana mga illiterate ato tuluan is kana mga illiterate na bata, mga illiterate na bata na tuluan nato sila kana Monday to Friday raman ang klase no. 1 hour na sila level 1, 2 and 3 tag 1 hour gina sila. Level 1 katong di pa ka mamabasa or di pa kasabot silang gibasa ang English. Level 2 kamao na mo basa pero di pa kasabot. Ang level 3 man to kamao na mo basa kasabot na pod. 1 hour na siya. So magpili na lang ka ana o unsa imong ma-fix ma-fit ra sa imong kuan ba sa imong schedule. Dili ra makuan sa imong klase. Okay ra ka? Ya okay ra ka nga wala tayo sweldo. Sige, thank you.